Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some swatches I was sent from Nail Addict. This is a gel nail polish company. But first I wanted to remind you that I have a press-on nail business. My website is Teri Wells Nails. And if you're interested in purchasing some of my press-on nails, just click the link in the description box. Be sure to sign up for my email list so you don't miss any discounts we're having for Black Friday, as well as my new Christmas press-on nail release. All right, let's get started. So this first polish, gel polish, is called For a Lady. It's this really beautiful beige, neutral cream color. The formula on this is really amazing. Gel polishes are definitely thicker than regular nail polishes. So this one has a thicker formula, but it's very opaque. So you don't get like that runny polish feel that you get from regular nail polishes. I was able to apply this polish in only 2 coats. Very good formula. Be sure to cure in between each layer because this is gel polish, so you do need a UV lamp. The next polish is called Lavender. And this is, of course, this beautiful grayish lavender purple color. Very, very pretty. I really like Nail Addict's cream polishes. They're just really good. But this one is a little bit more sheer than the last polish, but I was still able to get it completely opaque in 2 coats. Yeah, this color is very, very pretty. Again, it does, since it's gel polish, have that thicker formula, so you don't really get running. But because this is gel polish, make sure you don't get any on your skin. If you get it on your skin, be sure to clean any spillover off with like a what's that called? A brush, a cleanup brush. Be sure to clean up any gel polish off your skin with a cleanup brush before you cure in the lamp, because you won't be able to remove it after you cure. Alright, so next is Purple Addict, and this is a beautiful, like very bright purple. I won't call it neon because there's technically no such thing as a neon purple, but it's a very bright purple. And it does have some like reddish tones or pink tones in it. It's not a similar formula. I was able to get it completely opaque in only 2 coats of the gel polish. So I definitely like this one. This purple stands out really nicely. I would definitely probably wear this more in the summer. So the next polish is called Perfect Tan. So I wanted to try a few of their glittery and holographic gel polishes just to see the opacity of these, because I know their creams are very opaque. But you know, sometimes with glitters and other finishes, you have to use more coats. So I wanted to test that out. So this one is like a tan holographic gel polish. And just as I suspected, it is a little bit sheerer. So the first coat, you can still see quite a bit of my nail. Sorry, this is a very like sparkly color, so with my lighting it's kind of hard to see, but it definitely is a very neutral tan base, and the holographic is really nice. Definitely stands out a lot, but this one did require 3 coats for me to get it mostly opaque. The next gel polish is Silver Addict. And this is kind of like a silver foil polish, I would call it. Pearly foil. No, more of a foil than a pearl. But you can see it's very sheer on that first coat. This one will definitely require at least 3 coats to build up. I think I only applied 3 coats and I was good. But apply the first coat and cured that. It's just very thin. It's a lot thinner than the cream polishes, which is why it's so sheer. But that's fine. With gel polishes, you definitely want to apply a thin coat and then cure. You don't want to apply a thick coat, because once you cure it, it's not going to cure properly. So make sure to keep your coats thin. Yeah, it's just like when I apply it, I don't know. It's like it won't go over certain parts of my nail, but at the end, it was completely opaque. So it worked out. So this was a very pretty foil color. I think it would look really good in the winter time. So Ocean's Heart is this beautiful blue glitter polish. Glitter, holographic glitter. I really like this one, and this one was a very nice opaque glitter polish. I was able to get this completely opaque in 2 coats, and it was packed with glitter. It was a little thicker, so make sure to keep the coats thin before you cure the polish. But very pretty color. I really like this one. I really like that it was a nice opaque cream. It was a nice opaque glitter polish, which was cool because I don't know. Sometimes I don't like applying glitter just because it's not opaque and you have to apply a whole bunch of coats. It gets thick and stuff. But this one was really nice. Looks really good on 1 coat, but I went ahead and applied 2 coats, and I think this polish is just so gorgeous. This was definitely my favorite polish that I was sent. The next polish is called Best of Summer, and this neon fuchsia pink color. And this is actually an extra polish that they sent me because I didn't ask for this one, but I was honestly a little bit disappointed with this polish. It is thicker like the other cream polishes, but for some reason I was getting bubbles in my polish, and I actually took it off and redid it because I thought it was something I was doing, but I think it was the polish. So I'm not sure what went on with this one, but it was just a whole bunch of little bubbles that I couldn't get out, and I just finished applying the polish so you can see the color, but I don't know if there was something wrong with my bottle or what was going on with that. So if you have any ideas as to why you would get little bubbles in gel polishes, please let me know in the comments, because I just didn't know why that was happening. So those are the 7 Nail Addict polishes that I was sent to show you guys. I do have a discount code if you're interested in purchasing from Nail Addict. I will leave that in the description box. Be sure to sign up for my email list on my website so you can get notified of everything I'm doing. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.